baby angel.
Baby shark.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, baby shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandma shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt, let's go hunt. Run away, run away, run away, run away. Safe at last, safe at last, safe at last, safe at last. It's the end, 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 it's the end.
Save some for a rainy day. Don't spend all your money today. Save some for a rainy day. Buy some chocolates and some sweets. Save the rest and put it away. Don't spend all your money today. Save some for a rainy day. Mother's Day is coming soon. Save the rest and put it away. Don't spend all your money today. Save some for a rainy day. Next week is Dad's birthday. Save the rest and put it away. Don't spend all your money today. Save some for a rainy day. I wanna buy that big blue bike. Save the rest and put it away. Don't spend all your money today. Save some for a rainy day. We don't know what tomorrow will bring. Save the rest and put it away. Here's to you, Mother.
As she laid in her bed, all sick, her kids gathered around her quick. Mother, tell us what's wrong. Don't worry, we'll help. We're really strong. But only a weak cough was her reply. She was so tired, and that was no lie. And so, to help, the kids have decided, all as one, with love they were guided.
Mother, Mother, here's to you. We'll all help you through. Till you be strong, all better along. Yes, that's what we will do. Yes, that's what we will do. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. There it sat, lying flat on the hat. Kitty cat. Roll around on the ground. Purring sound. Go round and round. Jumping high. Catch a fly. Try and try. Wave goodbye. There's a mouse in the house. Under the blouse. A little mouse. Time to play. Won't you stay? Don't run away. Come and play. Play with me. Go wild and free. I'll close my eyes and count to 3. Where'd you go? Such high and low. I think I know. Behind the bow, the sun set away. And so we say, we'll play again another day. Kitty cat on the mat. Pat and pat our little cat. Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turn it out, turn it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. Why does the lamb love Mary so, love Mary so, love Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loved the lamb, you know, the lamb, you know, the lamb, you know. Why Mary loved the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
5 red apples.
Five red apples were on my plate, all so red and all so great. Teacher cried loud, eat, 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 and only 4 red
One red apple was on my plate, also red and also great. Teacher cried loud, eat, 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 and not one red apple remained, and not one red apple remained.
Halloween. Let's go shopping, let's go shopping for pumpkins, for pumpkins. They will look so scary, they will look so scary. It's Halloween, it's Halloween. Trick or treating, trick or treating. It's Halloween, it's Halloween. We walk on the street, we walk on the street. Trick or treat, trick or treat. Let's go shopping, let's go shopping for pumpkins, for pumpkins. They will look so scary, they will look so scary. It's Halloween, it's Halloween. Trick or treating, trick or treating. It's Halloween, it's Halloween. We walk on the street, we walk on the street. Trick or treat, trick or treat. The alphabet song.
A for apple, A for ant. B for bat, B for bowl. C for cat and C for cup. D for duck, D for dots. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat and G for grass. H for hand, H for hat. I for ink and I for insect. J for juice, J for jar. W for water. X for box, X for fox. Y for yes and Y for yellow. Z for zoo, Z for zebra.